Yeah. We're coming down, but we're landing together. Woke up, the diamonds heavy on my hand. Real life crashing into what we planned. The congrats text turning into demands. Pick a date, pick a place, do you have a band? I feel the walls closing and the pressure fits. But then I see you unbothered by you're pouring coffee, cool as a breeze, while I'm drowning in contracts and venue fees. Champagne bubbles settled in the glass. We're moving slow, but the world moves fast. Mom wants the ballroom, I want the shore. Sometimes I forget what we're doing this for. Falling from cloud nine, hitting the ground, but you're the solid place that I found. The dream is expensive, the reality weighs, but I look at you and I know it's a fake. Great gravity, 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 pulling me down, but as long as you're here, I won't ever drown. No, I won't ever drown. No, From soulmates to partners discussing the budget. Every decision somebody's gonna judge it. I wanted a marriage, I got a career, managing the start of our golden year. But you grab my hand when the spreadsheets blur, remind me that we are the way things were. You say babe it's a party, but we are the life. It's just one day, but I'm for your wife. Let the guest list wait, let the flowers